Scoopla. Stars. Gossip. Hype.
Hi, my name's Benjamin Norris and I'm here with an exclusive chat with Big Brother's latest evictee. It's time to go.
It's time to go.
It's time to go, Michaela.
Can I ask you, everyone watched you on the show and was either blown away by how opinionated you were, or they were like, that girl's got too many opinions?
I was adopted by the most strong woman I have ever met, and that's my mum. She raised me to be independent, strong-minded, and not to take crap off anyone.
How would you describe the way in which you tackle your thoughts and feelings?
You know, every time I say something that could be considered controversial, I always try and say it in a diplomatic way. A way that's going to put my opinions across, but also be helpful to the person who I am speaking to or about. And if you can say something in a rational, diplomatic way, the person will take it on board, whether they take it negatively or positively. They're still going to be affected by it.
People thought that you were like, okay, Tahan, she's very mean, and that she was very bitchy, but then people said you did the same thing.
Oh god, yeah.
Did you think that of yourself? Did you think you were very similar to Tahan in that way?
I think Tahan and I had a lot of similarities. I don't think I was as forthright with the way she came across things. I believe that I made a more conscious effort to be diplomatic, whereas she just did not care.
So you know that you've come out before Tahan. Was she someone you wanted to beat?
I did really want to beat Tahan. I did feel that I had something to prove. I'm more annoyed at the fact that bloody Brooks beat me. What?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
Watching you in the show, you were the only person to challenge Tim. Did you think that of yourself? Did you realise you were the only person to really challenge him?
I am the only one willing to call him out in front of everyone. And I think it's because he does not intimidate me. He is very good at manipulating the situation.
Will you fix your relationship now that the show's over with Tim?
Oh, definitely. I can consider Tim a friend, a true friend, because he is a very rare person who you can say, Tim, shut up, you're annoying, just get over it, you know. And I think that's what friendships can be about, honesty and then respect, and we do have that.
Who do you think is going to be in the final three? Do you think that Tim will be there?
Oh, definitely. I think Tim is definitely the nucleus of the show. Everything revolves around him, and if he's not in the epicenter, he's very close to it. I believe that the show needs Tim in order to cause a controversy, in order to cause the divide. I think Tim will definitely be right up there, along with Tahan.
Who do you think is going to win Big Brother 2013?
Tahan. I think it will be Tahan, but I don't want it to be. I'll be voting for others.
Do you find that Ed's feelings towards Jade seem genuine?
You know, I'm sure that's going to be a very hot topic on the outside. They have both been very careful in protecting their feelings, and I think that everything they have developed has been real. They've taken it slowly. Ed came in with the idea that he did not want to showmance at all.
What would you say was the best thing about Big Brother 2013 for you?
I'm going to say the lifelong friendships I've definitely taken out of that. Jade, the Sugar Sisters, Ben. At the end of the day, if I won the 250 grand but had no friends out of this and only bad consequences from it, I wouldn't want it.
When you were picked to be on the show, people were like, great, we've got an Asian girl on the show.
Oh God.
But you're a little bit racist yourself.
Yeah.
You know, but what would you say to the Asian people that are out there watching the show that were excited for you to be there and be a voice for them?
You know, I never thought of myself as being a voice for the Asian people out there, but if I am, I hope that I've been a positive one for them. I do believe that racism is a huge issue, and that the most important thing is that if we can laugh at ourselves, then other people laughing at us doesn't matter. And that's what I try to do. And I go against every single stereotype of Asians except for the bad driving.
Okay, which you're a terrible driver?
I maintain I'm good, but 7 accidents later. You know,
what's next for Michaela?
I don't think I'm going to go back to teaching. I don't think that's a career path for me. You know what? I'd love to get into radio.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Have you got a special message for the people from Scoopla that voted for you, Michaela?
Thank you so much. I'm humbled at the fact that people would go out of their way to vote for me, because it just means so much to me. So thank you so much, and I love all of you.
For all the latest stars, gossip and hype, head to scoopla.com.
Scoopla. Stars. Gossip. Hype.